Welcome to this video in which we'll briefly discuss how to use customized word lists at EnglishCorpora.org. Once you've created the customized word list, you can use it in a search by putting an @ sign before the name of the list. For example, suppose that you've created a list called body with words for parts of the body. You can then search for @body. Or you can use this as part of a phrase. For example, in break followed by possessive followed by @body. To create a customized word list, either click on List in the search form and then Customize Word List and then create a list from scratch. Or else you can click to see your profile page and then click on Customize Word List. Click here to create a new list. First, give the list a name. In this case, we'll create a new list called clothes and then add words to your list such as shirt, pants, sock, shoe, and so on. And notice that that has now appeared in our list of customized word lists. Then go over to the search form and click to see if everything is fine. For example, enter @ sign and then the name of the list that you've just created, which in our case is clothes. As before, you can use this as part of a phrase. For example, white followed by clothes. If you want, you can edit the list. For example, we'll add some more words like blouse, skirt, belt, coat, and so on. And now, when we redo the search, rather than having just these 4 phrases, we'll have new phrases for the new words in our modified list. If you want to use all forms of all of the words in your list, just type the name of the list in capital letters. For example, these are the results for white clothes. And these are the lists for white clothes where clothes is capitalized. Notice the plurals that are now in the list, like shirts, socks, and shoes. You can also create a customized word list from the results of any other search. To do so, select Options and then Save Lists and then set it to Yes. In this case, I'll use a list of the synonyms of happy. And in this case, I'll select happy and content and glad and pleased, although I can use any of the words in the list, and I could select all of the words if I want. Then simply give your list a name. In this case, I'll call it happy, and then it's added to your list of customized word lists. I can then edit the list as before, and I can use it as part of a phrase. For example, I followed by a form of be followed by a word in the happy list followed by that. Using customized word lists, you can have powerful meaning-based queries of the corpus, and customized word lists are only available at EnglishCorpora.org.